Hey guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. How you doing? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Out of Oz for Good from the musical Wicked. And it is a great version that's on YouTube. If you look it up, what I just said there, Wicked the Musical, it's got like 174 million views. It's a great arrangement, and it's got a neat piano part. Let's take a listen to it. Four, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then she sings, I've heard it said. And then da, 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 da. And then 1. Right here now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And now right here, let's see what this is. And then here, 1, 2, 3. And then there we go. So it's a great arrangement. Again, listen to it. Look it up on YouTube. It's Out of Oz for Good, performed by Kristen Chenoweth and Idina Menzel. Anyway, it's great. It's a great song, and it's got a really neat piano part. We're going to learn the whole thing on my website. We're going to do the part 1 here, and I teach a different way than most people are used to. If you've struggled with traditional lessons and reading music, but you feel like you have talent, and you can play, and you just reading music is so hard. This might work for you. That's usually the formula I hear. And when people come to me, then they see this way of teaching and it just works for them, right? Some people just need a different way to learn, I always say. So you take a look at the board here, and I have left hand on bottom, right hand on top. I have letters instead of note heads. I don't dumb anything down. I teach you to play the songs you love just like your favorite artists play them. And we do everything else, you would do in any music lesson. We do talk about technique and theory and chords and all of that. We just had a different way of reading it, okay? And it really relies on your ear a lot. So if you feel like you have a pretty good ear, that's going to help you in this. All right, so let's get started here. Measure 1 at the top. So we have lots of flats, and that's just the key that it's in, okay? So it just sounds kind of real Disney, doesn't it? Now, you know how that Disney sounds, and then this. Really cool, okay? So we start with left hand D flat, right hand A flat, D flat. I will mention, if you're a member of the site, you can download all my sheets. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's lots of more lines of music to learn, the whole thing, and you can download them on the site. All right, so A flat, D flat on the right with 1 and 2. A flat, back down to D flat, and then A flat and F. Left hand has a D flat in the middle of the piano, and then you play D flat and G flat together. So 3, 4. Again, a 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So bum, 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 bum. You may wonder what the curved lines are about. Those help me with rhythm, and I say me because a lot of people, most my members just kind of listen to me for the rhythm. And they kind of memorize it as they go because their ear is so good, and your ear gets better as you play more and more. But I use the curved line as eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So when you see the curved lines, it means they're the same note value. When you see a dash, you're just going to hold that out. Hold, hold, hold. And the curved line before a note just kind of tells me it's syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So that may mean something to some of you, and some of you may say, just let me learn the song. So here we go. Top there, A flat, G flat together, way up high. And then, yes, it's supposed to be dissonant. That sounds clashy, doesn't it? And it's supposed to. And then G flat, and then right hand F. Okay, it's supposed to sound that way. Hold the pedal down. It's okay for all of these to mix together. The next one is E flat on the left, right hand D flat. And then B flat on the left, A flat on the right. So bum, bum, bum. And yeah, you could play all with right hand. You could. I just like to let left hand help out if ever it's not doing anything. Why not? You know, it's like the, you know, lazy kid on the couch while the other one's working. Get up and do something. 3 and 4 and so beginning 1 and 2 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. There's the intro. Well, this is still the intro here. And then you have this. Okay, I'm going to show you that when we get there. But first we have D flat, A flat in the left, and here you have the same D flat, and then you go up to G flat and A flat together. Okay, so you have. So, actually, yeah, we're lower there. So it's D flat, A flat, and then D flat, G flat, and A flat together. Okay, I was in the wrong octave. Right hand, D flat, A flat, D flat, F, and it's 1 and 2, 3. Da 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 da. Right, 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 left, right. 3, 4. Okay, so. And then we're going to come down really low here, and we're going to have G flat, D flat, G flat in the left, right hand, D flat, G flat, B flat. You can also put a thumb B flat to make it roar a little more. And it's rolled down. I kind of like it rolled up, so I want to roll it up, but the person in the video rolls it down. Okay, so 3, 4. 3, 4. All right, so I can't remember what octave that's in. I'm going to check it in lesson 2, and I'll make sure I tell you. But anyway, this is definitely down here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from the very beginning, and go. 3, 4, 2, and 4, and 4. Or it's here. I can't remember. I'm going to listen to it here when I cut, and then we'll fix it in lesson 2, and then continue and finish the whole thing. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that part 1. This is a very fun one to play. I'm going to hold your hand, take you all the way through the whole thing, and I hope you guys had fun with it. Talk to you later.